Building retail stores is a difficult job. Quite difficult.
Not anymore. Say hello to 91 Square Feet. We help you build high-quality retail stores faster than you can imagine. From crafting just the right shopping experience for our customers to stringent quality control at our partner factories that produce the fixtures of our stores. Our on-ground team at 91 Square Feet ensures precise on-site supervision, guaranteeing great quality and on-time delivery. 91 Square Feet does it all. Because we know you have better things to do. "91 Square Feet. Your store is just a click away."